Man, this is such a great space. I look forward to performing here every single day.
It's kind of neat without the lights on. You can really think about, the past, the history.
Can you imagine the duos that were in this theater? Lennon McCartney.
Oh yeah, Ren and Stimpy.
Oh yeah, Abbott and Costello.
Yeah, the great duos in history.
Simon and Garfunkel.
Lloyd Christmas and Harry Dunn.
Beavis and Butthead.
Composers of the Renaissance, Leonin and Perrotin. Right here, Hannaford Mendez. Sounds of Christmas. You can't miss it.
He meant Mendez Hannaford.
Welcome to
Sounds of Christmas!
Sounds of Christmas.
December 10th at 7:30
30.
p.m., December 11th at 2 p.m.
Schuler Performing Arts Center.
Free for the entire family. You're going to hear the North Idaho College Cardinal Chorale and Chamber Singers.
You'll probably also hear the NIC Wind Symphony for that fun little holiday sing-along.
All right.
Come on out. It's free!
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Join Mendez and Hannaford as they prepare the NIC ensembles for this annual holiday celebration. We'll see you next at Sounds of Christmas.